Okay, another video from me. This time I'm going to talk about substitution. It is very important. Well, last couple of years I've seen the first question is substitution. Apparently supposed to be easy, but sometimes it's not because we got to follow algebraic rules. Okay, let's look at question number 2. A equals B over 2 B minus C, right? And we tend to neglect those given things. B equals 6, C equals 3, D equals -4, E equals -2. We got to be careful about the negative signs in front of -4 and -2. Substitution is a replacement of letters, so B equals 6 and divide that by 2. Once again, B is 6 and C is 3, so that keeps it simple because all we are dealing with are positive numbers. Now, the priority of operation is very important now. We got to do the brackets first, so that'll give you 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. And we got to then divide that number 6 by 2. That'll give you 3. So we are ending up with the answer 9. Remember, we don't have a calculator. Now, this one, I'm going to use the space over here. So please ignore 3, 5, and 7. So the question is, A equals square root of B squared minus 4D. And you got to be careful once again that this whole group is covered with a square root. So that is going to have consequence. What we can do so that we do not make a mistake, we can enclose this whole group using a bracket. You don't have to, but to keep us on track, it's a good idea to use brackets. So first thing we got to do is work out the value for B squared, which is 6 squared minus 4 times it by -4, and that is going to have some consequence, and that's the reason I enclose that within a bracket. And E is also negative, and I'm going to times it by -2. Once again, I'm going to enclose that within a bracket. Right, so 6 squared is 36. Remember, you are not using a calculator now. And now I'm going to times -4 with -4. That'll give you positive 16. And then positive 16 times A by -2. That'll give you the answer of -32. Right? So you've got to be very, very careful with all the negative values over there. What you can do, you can simply work that out separately, which will give you negative 32. And then from 36, if you subtract 32, that will give you an answer of 4. Right. Shall we move to another one?